Welcome everyone. I am Santosh Kumar, studying first BCom CS, batch 2020-23 in KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about direction and control. Direction meaning. Directing refers to a process or technique of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing, and leading people towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. It is a continuous managerial process that goes on throughout the life of the organization. Importance of directing. Directing helps in initiating action. Directing helps in achieving the objectives of the organization. Directing helps in full realization of employees' potential. Directing makes easy in introducing changes in the organization. Directing helps to maintain a stability in an organization. Control. Concept of controlling. Controlling is an important function of management. It verifies that all the allocated tasks are being performed on time. Controlling ensures that activities in an organization are performed as per the plan. It is the function that brings back the management cycle back to the planning function. Control process. The control process is the system that allows setting, measure, match and tweak any business activities such as production, packaging, delivery and more. There are four control processes such as setting standards, measuring performance, comparing performance, take corrective action. Setting standards. The first and basic step in control is establishment of standards of performance for ensuring that performance is in accordance with the plans. Standards are expressions of goals of the enterprise or the department. Measuring performance. Performance measurement is the process of collecting, analyzing, or reporting information regarding the performance of an individual, group, organization, system, or component. For example, measuring company's goodwill, reputation, company status, creditability, name and fame company standing in the market, employees' morale and attitude, etc. Comparing performance. The third step in process of control involves the comparison of actual performance with standard performance. This comparison will reveal the deviation between actual and desired results. Comparison is very easy when standards are expressed in quantitative terms. Take corrective action. Corrective action is a process of communicating with the employee to improve attendance and acceptable behavior or performance. At some point, employers such as HR managers or small business owners have to take corrective actions or discipline employees. Thank you.